Hello friends, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can test the speed of your iPhone internet connection. It's very simple, and there is an application that is also available on the desktop. It's called speedtest.net. You can check it out, and it's a very reliable website to test the download and upload speeds that you may have, not just for the desktop and laptops, but especially on your cell phone. Now, I'm using Sprint. Sprint is currently changing from 3G to 4G. In my house, I've seen 4G speeds going back and forward, so I'm assuming that they are just installing that at this moment. So, and the difference is really dramatic. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. First, go to the Apple Store and search for speed test. Just type search and click on right down here and click on speed test. It's the first application that appears when you do that. It's called speedtest.net. Just go ahead, download it, and then click open. It's totally free. Once it's installed, it shows you a screen saying begin test. Just click on that, and it will start sending a package. Actually, it's gonna first ping the server, and then you see I getting a pretty good 36 millisecond ping. That means that the connection between my phone and the server, the remote server or computer, is good. And now it's just downloaded a package and it's uploading another package to test the speed. Now my download speed is 9.55 megabits per second and my upload is 1.35. Right now I'm connected using the Wi-Fi, and you can see it here. So for Wi-Fi speeds, this is a little bit low. I have a 12 megabit per second Wi-Fi connection, or so it's been sold to me. But okay, again, this will depend on the different servers. So if I do it again, I may get different results. Again, I'm using the Wi-Fi, and every time it chooses a server randomly. So at this time, you see the speed seems to be faster. It's going all the way to 9.5. But I have tested it in different occasions where the speed has been really close to 12, which is normally the speed of my that I'm paying for. So let's do a different test. This is normally what I get with the Wi-Fi, 9.5 at this point with this server. So let's turn off the Wi-Fi. I'm just gonna go to settings. I'm gonna put the Wi-Fi off. I'm gonna come here, set it to off, and we're gonna go back to do our test. Now though, with actually it's 4G. At this point I have the LTE logo, and I have to tell you, just 10 minutes ago I had 3G. So they are really installing it as I speak. And I only have 1 bar of signal, so I'm not sure how this test is gonna go, but anyway, I think it's gonna be interesting. So I'm just gonna hit begin test. And at this point it's connecting to the server. Oh, I'm way back to 3G. So as you can see, I just show you that they are connecting the 4G antennas or devices at this moment. So I'm back to 3G. It says 3G, so it's now testing 3G speeds. And in fact, you see that the gauge there is only 0.11. So I have a download speed of 0.11 megabits per second, which is really even suck for 3G speeds. Yesterday I tried this in 3G at the same spot, in the same place that I'm doing it now, and it was 0.3, so it was 3 times faster. Now it's only 0.11 for 18, which I think the explanation is because they are doing this test and this installation at this moment. And the upload is really, really bad, 0.05. But still, this is enough to browse the internet. And of course, if you have a different carrier, it will be different. I can start the test again. And again, I always recommend that you test this at least 2 or 3 times because you never know the load of the server, how big the load will be. So you see that now it's a little bit faster, or more or less the same, but it's always recommended to do at least 3 tests to see the average. And after you have completed that, let's give it a second for it to complete. Now it's doing the upload test. You will see that there is also another option here, and it says settings and also results. So you click on the results, and this is a history of all the results. You see, this is when we did it with the Wi-Fi, it was 9.59. Now I can go all the way down here and I can show you that this result here, 2.57, was done by me just yesterday, 2.57, using 4G when the LTE icon was on. And also the first one, 4.79, was done using the 4G network in Sprint. So the difference is dramatic. It's 100% more than in 3G, more or less. So imagine, that's really very good for downloading videos. It's very good for streaming, normal resolution videos, SD videos, and doing almost anything. With 3 or 4 megabits per second, you can really do whatever you want with your phone. Almost anything. Besides, if you want to stream high definition video, that's probably not going to work. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the SpeedNet Does Test. It's a really nice app. It's completely free and can really help you to test the speed of your iPhone. Thank you very much, and please subscribe.